Steve's never gonna find me out here. Who's gonna take out the garbage now, Steve? Never coming home! Ever again!
The hell is your problem?
Smokey, what are you doing?
I'm on my way home from hockey practice.
With your sword?
I played goalie. Where are you going?
I'm gonna run so far away Steve and Mom will never find me. You coming?
Werewolf in the woods? You better keep an eye on you.
Wait up, goddammit!
Wait up, Rikki! Wait! Here, you wanna go camping here?
Think this is the spot.
Why here?
They'll never find us out here. Ronnie James Meow, what are you doing in here?
I don't know about you, Rikki, but I got a raging case of the munchies.
Oh, I'm starving.
Let's get something to eat. Did you even bring any food?
I'm never going back home, man. So I brought everything I needed to survive. I brought my Eggos, and I bought chicken nuggets, and a couple snacks to hold me over.
What'd you do, beat up some trick-or-treaters on the way here?
I bought this with my own allowance money, thank you very much. What did you bring?
Well, genius, I brought actual food. I brought a steak, an onion, and some shredded cheese. Of course, I never leave home without my lucky egg.
What are you gonna do with all that?
Watch and learn. Only one thing to eat on a night like this. Sludgie pies. It's not the size of the iron, Rikki. It's how you use it. Let's warm these things up. Go ahead and shove your iron in the fire, get it ready and hot while you're getting your sludgy pie ingredients going. Step number 1, dice the onion. Hand me my sword. All right. Shouldn't take but a minute. There we go. One and done, I say.
Amazing.
Grab a piece of our steak here, slice it super duper thin. All right, we got all our ingredients ready. Go ahead and hand me that hot iron. Looking good, looking good. And then give it nice, good, healthy greasing up. Butter, margarine, Vaseline, any kind of lube will work really in a pinch. You know what I mean?
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, like you know what I mean. Sure.
Shut up, Smokey.
Grab our steak, put it in here. You should hear that sizzle right away. Know your iron's good and hot. Nothing goes better with steak and eggs than our new seasoning, Carnage Asada. Put this on any of your steak, eggs, taco seasoning. Oh man. Throw a couple onions on top. That'll get you going. Put this on the fire, get it going good and hot. You don't want it too done. Check back in a second when we got our steak and onions all cooked. All right, we got our steak cooked a nice rare color. Got some color on our onions here. Get that out of your iron. Make way for the bread. Lots and lots and lots of butter. You really want to grease up your iron. Nothing fancy about the bread we use around here. Day old works the best, I think. One piece of bread. All your steak and onion fixins. Crack your egg right over the top of all that. Oh yeah. Here we go. A little more Carnage Asada for flavor. A little bit of cheese. Hold it all together. Another piece of bread right down on top. All right. Cut your corners. You're ready for the fire.
Crust is for posers.
Just like Rikki's peanut butter and jelly, cut the crust off, get it back in the fire. All right, this should be just about done. Watch yourself, Rikki. There we go. Classic round cast iron pudgy pie. Cut this bad boy open, see what happened inside of here. Oh, ho, 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 ho.
That Wagyu and that egg.
That is a breakfast of champions for dinner right there.
All right, Smoke, yours was pretty good, but mine's pretty easy and f***ing bomb. And it has your 3 basic food groups: chicken nuggets, waffles, and maple syrup.
Rikki, it looks like Willy Wonka took a dump on our altar. I thought we were making pudgy pies, not making cavities.
Toasters are for posers. Real metalheads cook their waffles and witches and Iron Maidens.
Speaking of Iron Maidens, turns out Smokey was half right. It's not the size of the iron that matters, it's the shape. These square irons are for posers because they don't seal the edges like the circle-shaped irons do. For best sludgy pie results, use circle pie irons.
All right, we gotta lube these up because you don't want to raw dog these Eggos. Let go of my Eggo. Put in your waffles, cover them with syrup, and put in your McNuggets. Now for the secret ingredient. Bone dust, our new garlic salt. Find it at truemetalgrilling.com, posers. Let's close this Iron Maiden. Burn the witch. Cook for half a doom metal song. All right, it's done. It's f***ing perfect.
Rikki, what did you do?
I just made the most glorious thing you've ever seen in your life.
This is a new era for sludgy pies.
One small step for metal, one giant leap for cuisine.
Oh. The McNug, the Eggo, the maple syrup, the bones of our enemies.
It hits all the buttons.
This is an all new sludgy pie.
That was good. I'm so scared right now. I'm dying soon. I think I'm trash things up. I think I'm in charge.
Where are you going? Dumbass. Well, since Rikki's afraid of firewood, apparently, I'll get this next one going myself. All right, I call this one the Morbid Angel Food Cake. Although with all the calories and candy in it, you might as well call it the Morbidly Obese Angel Food Cake. All right, squish that angel food cake down in there nice and good, make a good seal. Cut a couple more pieces for the other side. Thick enough to seal up, but thin enough to cook all the way through. Look at that. First topping, a little bit of Reese's peanut butter spread. I didn't even know they made this stuff. Rikki can find just about anything. I'm gonna go glob of that right there in the middle. No dessert pudgy pie is complete without some caramel sauce. A little bit of chocolate for good measure. Now, 'tis the season, right? You're gonna have all this candy sitting around your house until the new year comes. Might as well find something good to do with it. Rikki's favorite, Reese's peanut butter cup, Butterfinger. Don't lay a finger on my Butterfinger, bitch. All right, now the secret ingredient to any dessert sludgy pie, Poser Destroyer. Got tons of sweet and heat. Plenty of Scotch Bonnet, sugar, and all kinds of other beautiful spices in there. Oh my God, this is gonna be good. Now, close this thing up, squish it down tight. I know it's angel food cake, but crust is still for posers. Let's get this on the fire. All right, that angel food cake shouldn't take too long to cook, so don't step away and be a poser, burn this all the way around. Shouldn't be more than about one grindcore song per side. All right, we've been about one grindcore song in the coals. Time to get this out and take a look.
Oh, it looks good.
Oh, Jesus, Richard! You about done shitting yourself in the forest? You ready for dessert?
I smelled that Reese's from a mile away.
Like a bug zapper. Oh yeah, take a look at that thing.
Oh, it looks a little burnt there, Smokey.
Rikki, it's Morbid Angel food cake. It's supposed to be black. I thought you were metal. Oh yeah. Crispy on the outside, still angelically delicious on the inside.
It ain't pretty, but it's gonna be good eating.
All right, camping. Let's pop a few beers, grab our dessert, and sit by the fire.
Well done, Smokey.
Can't believe I'm saying this, Rikki, but good job.
Rikki, I don't care if you camp in the backyard, but Steve said you gotta keep it down. Steve wants to know if you've seen his Garth Brooks album.
Hi, Diane.
Oh, hey, Smokey.